Yes. And today we will learn the phonic sound of L and M. Yes, the phonic sound of letter L and M. In the previous class, what we learned? Correct. We learned the phonic sound of J and K. Okay? Yeah. Now take out your book. I can read myself. Then take out page number 2 to 22. Yes. See. Letter L. You have to trace it with the pencil. Then color in the letter L. Okay. And L for lion. L for lion. The phonic sound of L is L. Say it with me. Say it with me. L. Yes. L. Then draw lines from the letter L to things whose names begin with the sound. Okay. You have to match it with the letter L whose names begin with the sound of letter L. Okay. See, lamb, lamb. Then ladder, ladder. Yes. Then lock, lock. Yes. Then what is this? Hammer. It doesn't start with the letter L. Then leaf. Then lollipop. Okay. Yes. Then come to page number 23. See. What is this alphabet? This is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. है ना? Trace it with the pencil and then we'll color in the letter M. Okay. Yes. Do you know the phonic sound of letter M? M. Yes. M is the phonic sound of letter M. M. Yes. Or you can also say only the sound. Okay. Is the phonic sound of letter M. Now you have to circle the animals or things whose names begin with the sound of letter M. Okay. See. Man. Mat. Moon. Mass. Then what is this? This is butterfly and it starts with the butterfly. Butterfly. Don't circle it, okay? Then mouse. Or you can also say mouse. Okay? Yes. Understood all of you? Yes. And you have to do this and click a photo and send it to me. Okay? Okay, my dear children. Today's class is over. We will meet tomorrow.